part 2 of this ginormous jewelry bag. And we're gonna get through the bangles. Here are bangles that I would keep if they fit me, but they don't. So that makes me really sad. And there's like so many bangles over here. Maybe 100. I'm not even kidding. And then here are the ones that fit me that I'm not keeping because they're just plain and sad. So, and then the ones I am keeping. Where is it? There's a baby one in here. I'm gonna give this one to my kids. I don't know, but yeah. And then we have a bunch of these bracelets I will not be keeping. We have pill earrings, trash, surgical steel stud. I don't know, there's a stud in there. Something that's broken. Okay. Mardi Gras beads. A bracelet with a purple heart. What is this? If that's a choker, I'm keeping it because that's pretty. Well, it looks like it's missing the pearls on this side, and that's what that string is, and so it's broken. I think it was. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Green beads. This is pretty. Is it for your neck? That's actually super cute. I don't know where I would wear that though. Or if it even belongs there. Or if it's a waist thing. Nope. Don't know. Ooh, I love these. We have a little clip. We got our beads. And then we have a choker. Very cute. It looks like we have 2 more chokers. One plain one, which I will keep, and one with a blue pendant that I will keep. I don't know what this is. Looks like we have a cuff for your wrist. That'd be cute for a pharaoh costume or something. We have red beads bracelet. Cute, but I would not wear that. A broken chain. I mean, I could fix that. I kind of like how it's darker. It's going there for now, but I might do something with it. Bracelet. Cute. Look at, ooh, my hands smell. That's pretty. I wouldn't wear it, I don't think. A chicken. Or a rooster. I don't know. It's one of these. I don't know what those are for. Almost done here. This is cute. It's just a pearl necklace. Yeah, I'll keep that. Another Christmas pin. Oh my god. I don't like how that feels. And that would be around my neck. No. No, thank you. A nose ring? Oh, I don't have a nose ring. I almost threw it. Keep it, Kyle. Clip. Crazy earrings. No. But they're matches, so that's nice. Then we have this bracelet. It's missing some stuff in there. It's cute though. Just the gold chain, plastic, I think. It's squeaky. So I have an earring here. Almost done. Almost done. I have this mountain. Alright, so we have these earrings. Those are cute. But it looks like they stick out. They're gonna stick out like that. I don't like that. So, maybe we have beads. I don't think I like evil eyes. I don't own anything with an evil eye, but that one looks real. I think this is a broken earring. We have a heart ring. Not gonna help me. A huge heart. I think that went on this. Probably. This is cool. I wish my light worked. It's like fish scales. It says BFF on it. Oh, these are cute. They're crystal earrings. I'm keeping those. A ring. Oh, these are cool. Bee earrings. I'd wear those. And then lastly, I think it can go on your backpack or something. For a little girl, who knows? But that is it. There's just a bunch of beads in there. But I hope you enjoyed. And I have like 5 actual jewelry jars, so stay tuned. If TikTok doesn't get banned, so stay tuned.